Manohar Lal Khattar set to be sworn in as Haryana Chief Minister today. Kokomi MSAD joint alert protest in New Delhi today. KYAN introduced in selected schools for smart classes. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the afternoon news. I'm Loving. Now let's have the news in details. Manohar Lal Khattar is set to be sworn in as the Chief Minister of Haryana for the second term in a row. He was elected the leader of the BJP party on Saturday. Janayak Janata Party's JJP leader Dushyant Chattar will take oath as the Deputy Chief Minister. It may be mentioned that while BJP has 40 MLAs and JJP has 10, while Congress has 31 MLAs in the 90-member Haryana Assembly. BJP, which won 40 seats and was 6 short of a majority in the 90-member assembly, announced an alliance with the JJP led by Dushyant Chautala, a great-grandson of former Deputy Prime Minister Devi Lal, on Friday evening. The BJP on Saturday unanimously elected Manohar Lal Khattar as the leader of the BJP Legislative Party in Haryana. His name was proposed by legislator Anil Vij and seconded by the rest of the 38 legislators. Manohar Lal Khattar arrived in Chandigarh from New Delhi on Saturday morning to attend the BJP Legislature Party meeting, which was attended by Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad and BJP General Secretary Arun Singh. Volunteers of Kokomi and members of Manipur Students Union Delhi MSAD are all set to stage a joint alert protest vis-a-vis Indo-Naga peace talks in New Delhi this evening. According to a press release from MSAD, all the Manipuris in Jawaharlal Nehru University will take part in a meeting to be held at JNU Hostel, Ganga Bhaba, ahead of the demonstration in the national capital. The meeting is a part of a series of meetings to be held with regard to the crucial next round of Naga peace talks. With the next round of peace talks to end the protracted Naga political problem scheduled for October 31, the Nagaland and Manipur governments have taken up steps to meet any eventuality and have put their respective police forces on high alert. According to reports, security forces in the state have been put on high alert, and a large number of security forces, including women personnel, have been deployed at important areas including near the Raj Bhavan in Imphal to thwart any unwanted activities. Media reports say the Nagaland government has directed all deputy commissioners of the districts and administrative officers to remain in their respective places of posting and within their jurisdiction till further orders. The Nagaland Police Headquarters has issued an order banning all kinds of leaves and directed all unit commanders to recall all officers and personnel on leave immediately except those on medical leave. Manipur Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam informed that a new machine called KYAN has been introduced in some selected schools in the state for conduct of better smart classes for all subjects. Talking to Times of Manipur television today, the Minister Radheshyam announced that the Union Human Resource Ministry has sanctioned Rs 236 crore for developing infrastructures of 401 government schools across the state. Educational system in the state has been transformed incredibly under the N. Biren-led government. Moreover, Manipur has bagged the 4th position in all India list of overall improvement in education, Radheshyam said.
Education Department of Haganavamta School Singsida Aquena School Humfuka Kangalaga School Pagalan C. Hena Mission Nama Paikat Pasi Must Progress Labor Hore 35% more released of Jagre, Pasha CM Masaba or Ching Manung and Mazagada Gada Poche Pushin Kusin Makara Watbagi ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯈꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯜꯃꯣꯁ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯐꯅꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯍꯨꯝꯐꯨꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯆꯂꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ
All Jiribam Road Transport Union AJRTDU has threatened to launch a cease-work strike if the concerned authority fails to solve the issues faced by the drivers at the earliest. Union General Secretary L. Maniton Singh informed this during a press meet at the conference hall of Juri News Network JNN located at Babupara of Jiribam yesterday. L. Maniton Singh expressed displeasure that truck drivers are facing a lot of inconveniences in crossing the Barak and Makru bridges, and moreover, security personnel at checkpoints charge Rs 500 to 700 for every 10 and 12-wheeler vehicle crossing the bridges, which is unacceptable.
Impan Jiri Lambi Nation Highway 37 da Jiri Liver Truck Uba Gaishinda Gaishindan Pagi Barak Thong Amadi Maku Thong the Lalo Matanda Lord Tokyo Madan the Tokyo Madan Tarian the Nipani Bochangi Aduga Khali La Pomatandana Marini the Mangani Bochangi Marine Authorization Ming Atum Changi Daga Changi Wena Hajari Aduga Kariguma Silishida Dr. Driver is now singing Yamna I starting by the Bahana Library Gari and Lepsare.
Let's take a short commercial break now, but coming up next, several houses at Kuchoi Tup of Kamrang Muslim area in Jiribam district remain flooded.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba ima singna set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirang Khom Sawgaizam Lerak Machin, Natraga, Ekwegi phone number 6909126615 Natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Sunrise Enterprises. Buy any type of RO water purifier with heavy discount and get pre-filter free. Servicing of any type of domestic and commercial RO water purifier. Available all spare parts. For details, please contact Sunrise Enterprises, Major Khul near Community Hall, Thangal Bazaar. Open from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mobile number 908-918-9371 or 9436-442885. Or email us at rj_shn@hotmail.com.
Welcome back. Many houses at Kuchoi Tup of Kamrang Muslim area in Jiribam district have remained flooded due to incessant rainfall since yesterday. A relief camp has been opened at Jirigat Junior High School for marooned residents. Pradhan of Hilgat Gram Panchayat, L. Somorendra Singh, appreciated the Jiribam District Superintendent of Police and Deputy Commissioner for sending police personnel to help the flood-affected families. Both the SP and the DC have visited the area to take stock of the situation. They suggested for opening a relief camp soon. Kuchoi Tup is an area measuring about 4 acres. The residents fear that if the area remains submerged for long due to rain, it may become a part of Assam.
Kana surakpadagi jiri gi akhoi turengi imai se hoji yam kana wangkhalakpadagi kamanga khunjasi da yum nifu mu hoji singa thong khare aduga ular tholda yum ani gumba aduga loinana hoji lengang bupi da su yum ama hoji tumhore aduga ising su chakhat leptri aduna aina hilgaji pigi badhana ma oina akhoi gi mari leinaba akhoi gi mathak thongba authority singdagi awaba taraba parja mayam sibu mateng pangbina bagi damakta hejari.
Kakching District Commando arrested a drug peddler identified as Richard Sesuraj, aged 23 years, hailing from Premnagar More Ward No. 4 from Kunuta Chingjin Sora. Contraband items methamphetamine crystals, also known as ice drugs, weighing 15.180 kilograms, and a mobile phone handset were seized from his possession, a police report said today. The arrested, along with the seized articles, has been handed over to Kokching Police Station. Technopal Kuki Civil Society has accused CNPO of opposing the centenary celebration of Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919 and termed the act as ignorance of history and facts of the Hill region. In a press release, it maintained that using the words "our ancestral land" marks the bravery of Kukis who fought against the mighty British to safeguard their ancestral land. Apex Traditional Council of the Thado INPI General Headquarters has informed through a press release today that a memorandum seeking expeditious solution to the ongoing political dialogue between United People's Front, Kuki National Organization and Government of India has been submitted to AB. Mathur, the interlocutor of Kuki suspension of operation groups, the press release also highlighted on the current political turmoil in the state and other unforeseen circumstances and drew the attention of the government to bring an amicable solution to the pending issue of Kuki underground groups at the earliest. Another short commercial break now. Stay tuned.
Hey Lola, nang phone yaw bra?
Yaw eh.
Lamjing ba kep kau ne? Apang?
Ay kau tu le.
Manipuri ahanba 24/7 service oiriba lamjing ba kep service namyang gi seva tawjari.
Manipur ki district sing amadi mapal lam sing loina na luhongba amadi atay thodok sing gisu discount pijari. Ningol chakau bagidamak akhanna ba hour package discount pijari. Ngasi mag book tobiu hena akupa marol gidamak lamjing ba cave service Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Temple.
Koji Homestay koina chaturraga iyumda nungaina fothabiu lakliba festive season da hakchang phana nungaina celebrate tobiu rupees 4999 gi phamung laiteng sing leibiu aduga rupees 999 gi apamba potchai lemna lobiu seasonaraba pilosing pubira u anauba amana mahut sinbiu kaubiraganu langsin biraksi Koji Homestay Olympic Shopping Complex Dinku Road Imphal mobile number 9612732809.
Ningol Singi Akanaba Kumhai Ningol Chako Buna Lakpada, Damabati Emporium na, October Kuntra Falba Chada Kuntra discount Pizabi. Akak Naba Matam Kaktamak Pizaba discount name, Ningol Singi Makal Kayagi Fige, Wankai fee, Rani fee, blouse, tops fee, Fanek Nachingba Makal Suna Fangbiragani. Ngasi Maglengsen Biraksi, Damabati Emporium, Gari Makalekai near Pakang Fort. Contact number 7085-186-485 Natraga 7005-946-596.
Welcome back after the break. East Khasi Hills District in Meghalaya has imposed certain restrictions for Diwali. The district magistrate has issued instructions in connection with the celebration and festivity. While greeting the people happy and safe Deepawali, the district magistrate said that Diwali is a festival of lights. The district magistrate appealed to all the people to desist from bursting of crackers. The magistrate also urged the people to adherence to guidelines laid down by Supreme Court of India dated July 18, 2005. Drilling of a new massive bore well using a rig began at Nadukatupati near Manipuri of Tamil Nadu this morning in a last-ditch attempt to reach and rescue 2-year-old Sujit Wilson, who has been trapped in an abandoned bore well since Friday evening. As per media reports, the machine was brought to the site in the wee hours today and drilling work began at around 7 a.m. under the supervision of Neyveli Lignite Corporation and Oil and Natural Gas Corporation officials. Officials on the ground said that the drilling work would take up to 3 hours. ISIS Chief Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi may have been killed in Syria in a special operations raid against ISIS, though an official confirmation is awaited, according to media reports. Late Saturday, White House issued a statement that President Donald Trump will make a major statement amid media reports of a military operation against the ISIS in Syria. The President of the United States will be making a major statement tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, said White House Deputy Press Secretary Hogan Gidley, without divulging details. The statement was followed by a tweet by US President Donald Trump. And now let's take a look at the sports news. David Warner looked in celebratory mood on his 33rd birthday, smashing Sri Lankan bowlers all around Adelaide in Australia as he raced to his maiden 2020 international century. According to media reports, the swashbuckling opener's unbeaten 100, which came off just 56 deliveries, helped Australia to a grand total of 233 for 2 in the first T20 international match in the 3-match series. Interestingly, Warner's highest ever T20 international score came in his first game at home for Australia since his year-long ban over his involvement in the ball tampering scandal. Now let's go through some of the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, stage integrity non-negotiable, asserts mass rally. Plan to call on Prime Minister dropped for now. NAB bust brown sugar factory. Transporters threaten ceasewalk stir. The People's Chronicle. NSCNIM doubts Rabi's sincerity to resolve Naga issue. Naga simply cannot be carried away by any amount of economic package. WC of NNPGs has been practical and realistic, says Hukavi Yaptomi. RIMS clarifies, withdraws order. JEDUF for Naga solution favorable to Jalliarong people. High alert in Nagaland, Manipur for October 31st Naga peace talks. More central forces to be deployed in state. Imphal Free Press. Protests to safeguard state's integrity continue unabated. Kokomi to storm Delhi in few days. Arvind Ravi is insincere. Plays divisive policies, says NSCNIM. Kokomi furnishes reminder memos to Governor CM. CBI submits closure report in lieu of charge set against CRPF personnel. FCI official as James suspended. The Morning Bell. No let-up in Kokomi protest to safeguard state's territory. Kilo Kilonser lives NSCNIM admitting settlement with Government of India will not help Naga cause. Education Minister spends time with students on No School Bag Day. Brown sugar factory busted at Usoipokpe. Fund for 10,811 age-old pension beneficiaries transferred on single day. Manipur Mail. NSCNIM questions Ravi's rule. Radhesham spends no bag day with children. 6 Jawans injured in Srinagar.
Before we wind up, the headlines once again. Manohar Lal Khattar set to be sworn in as Haryana Chief Minister today. Kokomi MSAD joint alert protest in New Delhi today. And KYAN introduced in selected schools for smart classes. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you.